Alright, Connor, come on.
Oh, it doesn't work with me back here.
Hey.
He knows I'm back here.
Hello. Hey. Look at you. Oh. Come on.
He's got the idea.
Mm-hmm. He's not doing as good as Alex did the first time he tried this, but...
Of course, Alex didn't have his grandma behind him.
Yeah. So he did his mommy. Hello. Come on.
Hey, David, look at this. Kid is climbing these stairs.
Is he walking pretty soon?
Oh, he wants to walk so...
Come on, Connor. He's going to learn to climb mountains before he can walk. Aren't you? I did it.
Don't let go, sweetie. Do not let go. Do not let go. He's never climbed stairs before.
Well, that's first for everything.
Come on, Connor. Come on.
Yeah, those were worth $3, I think.
Come on.
So are you guys going to the fireworks?
Yeah, I think so. They're usually about 10 o'clock.
I checked online. It's 10 o'clock
10 o'clock?
for Central Park. Hey, little baby. Hi, mister. Look at you. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. Is it good?
I'm back here, honey.
Are you helping him?
No, I'm just holding on to his pants in case he falls.
Tarzan doesn't fall.
I can afford a vacation this year.
Did you do it? Oh my goodness. Hi. Look at what you did. Look at what you did. Are you so proud of yourself?
There.
Hi. Oh my goodness.
What'd you do?
I did it, Grandma.
There, huh?
I did it, Grandma. Hi. Oh my goodness. We're so proud of you. Good job.
Is he laughing?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I saw what you did.
Good job, Connor.